Thank you for trusting us to inspect your property. Today I want to cover some of the reasons some people may be concerned about engaging with our services. One concern may be that they believe there's not enough damage to their roof. Just like you would get your car fixed from a hailstorm, it is important to get your roof fixed also. While damage to your vehicle may be only cosmetic, damage to your roof can lead to considerable long-term defects. Hailstones will create divots in your roof sheets. These divots may pond water, dirt, salt, and could eventually rust, causing water leaks and future issues. These future issues may then come at a cost to yourself to repair. How can I be confident in your service and your company? In 2019, the government held a royal commission into the misconduct of financial services. As a result, they found some shortcomings with multiple institutions, and due to this, a new law was implemented. This resulted in any companies managing insurance claim will be required to hold a financial services license, and we're proud to say that we are one of the very few companies that hold the required Australian financial services license. My excess is too expensive. We are proud to say that we're able to contribute up to $600 towards your excess. This means if your excess is $2,000, you only have to contribute $1,400 for a whole new roof. We often forget how much we pay every year for insurance. For example, the average home insurance is roughly $2,100 per year, meaning most people have already paid a significant amount of money towards their insurance premiums to safeguard them from situations like a hailstorm. My insurance company will look after it. Often some insurance companies can be overloaded with work and may miss certain damages to your property. Some insurers also use drones to conduct the roof inspections. Drones are great for many things, although not for finding divots of hail damage to your roof. We also pride ourselves on being there working for you. Think of us as your second set of eyes, making sure nothing is missed. Will my premiums go up? Even though I've never had to make a claim on my insurance policy yet, my premiums are still going up every single year. Insurance premiums are calculated based on numerous different factors, most of which are out of your control, including things like overall claims within your local area. Don't let your premium increase pay for your neighbour's new roof. It's all too hard and I don't want to deal with it. We know people get very busy, and managing insurance claims is the last thing on your mind. We have a dedicated team of over 30 insurance professionals who'll be here to filter every call and lead the conversation to the best claim outcome for you. You will have a dedicated person who will email, call, or text you with regular updates as often as you would like, to remove as much stress and leave you to spend your time doing more of what you love. We really hope this has answered a few of your questions. If you have any other questions, feel free to give our team a call. Otherwise, we look forward to assisting you through the next steps of your claim.